In this video, I'll detail how to turn off camera timer on Apple Watch, or how you can turn off your Apple Watch camera timer. So if you have an Apple Watch and it supports using camera, so that you can easily launch your iPhone camera. And once you launch it, you'll be prompted to click on the shutter button to take the picture, while the countdown will begin up to 3 seconds. So here basically, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off or disable camera timer on Apple Watch. So if I don't know this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do to disable or turn off camera timer on Apple Watch is make sure your iPhone and your Apple Watch are connected together and both devices are within the range where you want to use the camera. So once this is satisfied, then go ahead, launch your Apple Watch, and then type in your code. Once type in your passcode, click on the 2 crown ones. Then scroll down until you get to camera. So just keep scrolling until you get to camera. Then click on it. Then you should see open camera. This is going to open your iPhone camera automatically. And here you can see the timer. If I click on the shutter button, you see that it is on this time that the camera is going to capture whatever it's going to capture. However, if you want to turn off this timer, so that each time you just click on the shutter button, this is going to take the picture straight away without waiting for 3 seconds. All you just need to do is click on these 3 dots at the bottom right on the Apple Watch camera page. Then you should see timer. On that timer, disable this. You see that? So once this is disabled, go ahead and click on the done button. Then you should see the timer removed on the Apple Watch camera page. Then click on the shutter button. You see that? So you discover that your iPhone is no longer blinking or flashing the LED light 3 times for 3 seconds before taking the shot. So that is how you can easily disable or turn off camera timer on Apple Watch. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.